Okay, hey guys, we're going to start getting into our time unit, and normally in class we would have what's called a Judy clock. A Judy clock is easy to manipulate the hands on. You may have a clock like this at home that you can use, which is great, or you may even have one on the wall that you can use if your parents let you. That's great. Sometimes though they're blocked by plastic, and then like for my clock at my house on the wall, it has Roman numerals. It doesn't have actual numbers. And so if you don't have one of these or a clock that you have access to where you can move the clock hands, I'm going to show you how you can make a clock. Okay, so I just got a paper plate and I'm going to find the middle of the plate and I'm going to put a dot in the middle. See my dot? Put it in the middle. Now I'm going to actually take a pencil so that I can erase if I mess up. Clocks are broken very easily into fourths. So remember, fourths from when we did fractions means 4 parts. So I'm actually going to draw a line down the middle. That was terrible, but it's because I'm looking at my camera. So I'm going to draw a line down the middle, and then I'm going to draw a line across. Okay, so watch. 1, 2. Look, very easy, right? Now you want to go ahead and label those particular lines. So at this top one, you're going to put the number 12. My plate curves to hold the food on it, so I'm actually going to put the 12 right there, like just a little bit below the curve, okay? And then what you're going to do is here, to the right, you're going to put the number 3, and put in little dots, okay? Down here, you're going to put the number 6, and right here, you're going to put the number 9. 12, 3, 6, 9. Now we are going to fill in the numbers in between, and there's 2 numbers that come in between, okay? So there's 4 notches between 1, 2, 3, 4, yep, because the 5th one is the number. So what I mean by that is I did 4 notches, and then I'm going to do the number 1. Now this isn't going to be perfect, but I'm going to try my best. So see, I did the number 1. Now I'm going to do 4 notches and do the number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Now I just need to put in my notches here, 4 notches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's a little tight, but it's homemade. Okay, so you're going to actually keep doing that. So here you're going to put 4 and 5. Okay. 4 notches. And I got 4. 4 more notches. And then I've got 5. And then put my 4 notches to 6. Okay. You're going to keep going. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I did 7 and I did 8. Okay. Then up here, 10 and 11. So 4 notches. 10, 4 notches, and 11, and then your last 4 notches to 12. So in the end, your clock looks like this. Okay, now you're gonna find something that can be your clock hands. I have pipe cleaners at home that my kids do projects with. I got our Christmas ones out. So I'm gonna use 2 of them, 2 different colors. Well, I guess you don't have to do 2 different colors. But one will be longer because you've got an hour hand and you've got a minute hand. And so one hand is longer than the other. So I think I'm just gonna do 2 different colored hands. I'm gonna do green and red for Christmas because I love Christmas. And so I grabbed 2 pipe cleaners, or you can grab 2 of anything that's long. You could do sticks, but that'd be kind of hard to manipulate. You could do those wax sticks. I don't know. You guys have a lot of toys at home. I'm trying to think what my kids' toys are like. I'm sure there's something I could use, Lego. So I'm gonna now punch a hole. See, I'm punching a hole in the middle so that my hands can go, my arms or whatever can go through there. So I'm gonna put it through. And since this is my hour hand, I'm gonna make it just as long as the hours. Okay, so see on the back side. And so what I'm gonna do is I have tape, and I'm gonna tape the extra off. You need to be able to still move though the hand, like manipulate it. So the extra, I'm just gonna kind of tape it off over here so that I don't have so much to deal with. Then this way it can still move because I haven't taped all of that off, even though that's annoying. And then my minute hand is gonna be shorter. So I'm gonna put it through. I'll make it shorter. Or sorry, that's my hour hand. My hour hand is shorter. It's my minute hand that's longer. Sorry about that. It's a little confusing when you're making it. Okay. So then see, I've got all this slack. So again, I'm just gonna kind of like put it out of the way and take off the end. Boom. I got a clock. So look, as I move the minute hand, it just happens to be that the hour hand is moving. That doesn't typically happen when you make a clock, but it's working. So now though I can manipulate both. There's 3 o'clock, there's 4 o'clock, there's 4:05, and so forth, okay? So just find items that you can use to make your clock, and this is how I did mine. Good luck.